If you are currently in the stage of life where you feel like nothing is moving for you, or you don't know where exactly you're going, or you feel stuck, or there is no clear direction, there is no clarity, then know that you're on the path of transformation. I know it is not making sense to you, or maybe it is making sense to you, but still, if you're in this situation, then this is the video for you. Because I know when you're on that journey, how lonely it feels, how you feel like there is no one who can understand you, there is no one who can talk to you, there is no one who can make you feel like I understand what you're going through. And don't worry, this too shall pass. That phase is something where we desire someone to come with me, but we know that even if there is someone who is just standing in front of we will fail to identify them. That is the place that we go through, that is the phase. And if you're in that phase, then I want to assure you that this is not permanent. The best thing that is happening with you right now is this phase, because after this you will promote one step forward. And after maybe 1 or 2 years, you will just look at back at it just the way I'm doing right now, and you are just looking at how life has changed, how life has transformed, how mindful, how knowledgeable, how beautiful you have become as a person. But I know the journey feels lonely. I know the journey feels like I didn't ask for this, I never wanted this. This is how you feel like, this is how your internal dialogues look like. But maybe this is what we had came up with, right? This might be the karma that we came with, and that is the reason we are going through it. I know none of the things make sense now. And I also know that you constantly ask the question like, why me? Why me? Because I did that. I kept on asking that, why me? Everyone around me is living the normal life. But why am I here struggling to make sense of the world, to make sense of myself, to make sense of things that's happening around me? But in that introspective place is where we start to understand ourselves better. We start to understand how the universe works better. And if you are in that space, I want to tell you that you are luckiest. I don't know what is your age, but if you're a little younger or in your early 30s or late 20s or even beyond it, then know that this is the best thing that is happening with us. Because we are getting clarity way more before than we might be getting. I think so. So basically, now, right now, it might look like nothing is moving for you. But in reality, we say, right, in the astral world, things are happening just for you. Energies are aligning, things are aligning, people are getting aligned. The reason that you're watching me, I might be the best example you can consider. Just 2 to 3 years ago, I can't even consider myself being a coach or consider myself making these kind of videos and talking to the people. But today, here I am sharing my knowledge, sharing my experiences, sharing whatever things that I've learned in my journey. And while I was going through it, there was no path I was seeing. I had never even thought about being a coach. I was always an ambitious person who wanted to do well, who wanted to have the best life, who wanted to travel world. But here I am now that I'm fine with everything. Now I'm just happy to go with the flow. Now I'm just happy that I can be happy every day. Basically, don't get too much affected by the current situation that you are in. Just tell yourself that this is the best thing that is happening to you, and just give a lot of love to yourself, because that is what you deserve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you watched until now, then make sure to allow each word from this video to get into you, and just consider yourself lucky. Be happy, give lots of love to yourself, and we'll meet again in the next video. Thank you so much.